We are going to install the tube of handles and lock into the door. As the drawing says, this is an aluminum bifolder with 2 panels. Now we are installing the second panel. This is the process of screwing. The door cannot be closed tightly, so we need to install a tube with wheels on top and bottom side. Now we are installing the tube on the active side. This tube is installed with wheels on bottom and top. Now we are installing the seals, cause the seals are installed when we finish it, and we'll keep it on the tubes. So you need not to worry about the installation of seals.